Hello and welcome. My name is Zain, and in this video tutorial we will be hunting some products online on different sources for dropshipping. Product hunt is the most challenging and important part of doing dropshipping successfully. Let's begin. In this tutorial, first we will search the products on Facebook. We will inspect what other store owners are selling and which products are getting good response. Then we will head out to a website called thief.co. Third step would be to search for the products on Aliexpress itself. And at last, we will inspect some other Shopify store for winner products. So let's begin with the first step. So the first step of this tutorial is to head out to Facebook and search this term, get yours here. This text is widely used when people are advertising the product on Facebook and they want people to head out to their website for checkout. So most probably, if a certain page is using this term, there are chances like that specific person is not doing a local cash on delivery payments, but instead he is doing drop shipping, which requires people or users to check out before they can get their orders. So once you will search this term on Facebook, you will see certain products being advertised. So in this example you can see like these top 3 posts are there, and you can check the response of these posts. If the response is good and if product is posted recently, there are mostly chances like this specific product is a winner. The other important thing to review here is like there are certain products which are quite easy to be advertised on Facebook. Like for example, if we consider this example, you will see like we can easily target certain brand owners. Other than that, you can see some unique products which are being advertised. So this is the first source from where you can get an idea like which products are doing good online. The second step of this tutorial is to search for the winning products or the winners on a website called thief.co. So if you will head out to this website, you will see like this website features some of the most rare or most unique products you will find online on Aliexpress. So head out to this website. You will see a collection of some very well presented products, some very unique products which can appeal to various audiences. So let's say if you select any specific product, like for example if I want to add this specific pen, fountain pen on my website, what I will do, like I will go to this product on thief.co. I will check out the link of this product on Aliexpress. Whenever you will find or discover any product here on this website, you will see a link beside that specific product which will link to this product on Aliexpress. The third step of this tutorial is to hunt for different products on Aliexpress itself. So we will head out to, let's say, any category. Like you can head out to women's clothing, and from here you can browse different products. Like we will browse the products with highest orders. Let's say you can select any specific product which you feel or you find good for dropshipping. So in this case, let's say if we select this specific product, we will head out to the tab called transaction history. So once you are on the transaction history tab, you will notice the most recent orders of this winning product. So you will have to judge the pattern of all recent orders. So like if the orders are being in a repetitive pattern, like if they are being ordered by a single person from same country, this indicates that this product is being bought multiple times by a same store owner for his or her customers. So let's say you can see here, like this pattern this pattern indicates like this same person ordered this product 3 times. Another indication is like this same username sorry this same username is ordering this product, so this indicates like this product is a winner. Like for example, here you can see like another supplier, another store owner ordered this product 3 times. And the last but the most important part of this tutorial is to search for the winning products on other Shopify stores. So the major question is like how you find other Shopify web stores. Like if you have the URL of different Shopify websites, you can easily navigate to those websites and search or preview like what these other top visited Shopify websites are selling. So for that, what we'll do, like we will head out this website called myip.ms. Here you will have to add the IP of Shopify. Entering this IP address here and searching the whois information of this IP will list down all the stores hosted on that specific IP. Because Shopify uses its own hosting platform, so all the Shopify websites are hosted on that specific IP range. So here you will be able to see like which websites are the most visited websites hosted on Shopify platform. So if you navigate to the full list, you will see the list of all the websites. For example, if you navigate to any website, you will be able to see which products are being sold on those websites. So I hope now you have a very clear idea or understanding of various sources from where you can easily hunt the products. The last part of this tutorial indicates some important points to consider whenever you are planning to add any product to your website for dropshipping. Number one is trends. Make sure like whichever product you are planning to sell online, make sure you follow its trends on a website called trends.google.com. So let's say if we want to sell this shirt online, we will search for this specific product, or we will search the matching term on this website. This will give us an idea like where this specific search term is popular, or where in this part of this world people are searching for this specific term or product. So it's easier to advertise to these specific locations when you are boosting this promotional post on Facebook or any other platform. Another important point to consider is region. Like you cannot sell certain products in certain regions, and there are certain products which are quite popular in one specific region. For example, it's not a good idea to sell products like coats or jackets in a region where there is a harsh or very hot climate. For example, you cannot sell a woolen coat in UAE or any other hotter region. Another thing, the most important point to consider is the emotions. Like people usually or mostly buy what they like. So make sure when you are targeting the audiences, make sure to target their emotions, what they want to buy, what's their requirement, and which product matches their interests. The fourth point to consider is any product which you are advertising online shouldn't be shouldn't be infringing with any copyrights or any rules regulation of Facebook or Instagram. Besides that, there are certain products which require proper approval of original owners of that product. So that's it. In case if you have any questions, do let me know.